your house? Say bye-bye, house.
Bye-bye, house.
Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna find a nicer house, a nice big house for us, okay?
This is a medium house?
This is a medium-sized house. We're gonna find a bigger house with more room for all your toys. Okay, go do one more run around the house and we're gonna go. Go say bye to your room. Say thank you for being so pink for me.
Yeah. Bye, thank you for being so pink for me.
Go say bye-bye to the kitchen.
Okay.
Bye, bathroom.
Bye, kitchen. Thank you for being so white for me.
Okay, go say bye to the playroom.
Bye, kitchen. Thank you for being so white for me.
For being so white. Say bye-bye, Murphy bed.
Bye, Murphy, so bad.
Bye-bye, kitchen.
Bye, kitchen.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's scream one more time. Say bye-bye, house, really loud. Ready, go.
Bye-bye, house.
Nice echo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Grayson likes it too. Okay, let's go.